Hey guys, Coach Walsall here, and I want to walk you through the stages of what you're going to be doing tomorrow when you arrive. See, post-lockdown, things have changed a little bit. Up the hygiene, and I want to make sure that you feel confident to train in a safe space. So come on in. As you arrive, you're parked in the car. As you come on through here, you must sanitize your hands. So have a good squirt of that. Make sure your hands are all cleansed before you come on in. Grab yourself a bottle of sanitizer and a towel. Everything that you touch, you spray, you wipe down before and after use, okay? So, come on in. Armed with your sanitizer, as you arrive, everything's gonna be laid out, designed so that you don't even have to touch each other. Not that you, well, other than high fives are barred at the minute. So you've got 6 stations tomorrow. This is your workout. You're gonna be starting on bench press. With your bench press, I want to ensure that you're bringing a towel to every workout. It's been proven that coronavirus does not transmit through sweat. However, just for extra sanitizing, we're going to make sure that you use a towel every time that you use a bench or any floor work on a mat. Okay, so you're going to make sure you bring a towel to your workout tomorrow, place it down on your bench for your bench press. As per usual, to the left-hand side will be your heavier weights, to the right-hand side your lighter weights. So decide when you arrive which lane that you're going to go in. Everything's got a mixture of dumbbells anyway, but the heavier ones are to the left. Okay. From there, you're going to be using split squats. From your split squats, you're going to be doing your dips tomorrow. You're on the TRX next for the complex on the legs, followed on the kettlebells. As you see, everything is going up and out. So then you follow the arrow straight out to the door to see your happy ending. There's going to be no use of or sharing kit. You're going to have your own kit that you're going to use at any one time that you sanitize before and after use. I'm just running you through the workout right now so you've got an idea of what's expected of you tomorrow so that everything moves nice and smoothly. You're going to be finishing on the sleds. You'll be glad to know there's no death bikes for tomorrow's workout, which is good news for many. Gray is itching. I know he's itching. He's been telling me to get back on the death bikes. The next focus, the next coming weeks, guys, is just to ease you back into fitness, find your confidence, find your motivation again, get you looking and feeling good. It's not about where you were pre-lockdown, your fitness levels, where you were mentally. It's about refining those feet and building upon that. That's what we're going to be focusing on in these next couple of weeks. So don't build anxiety up by doing nothing. Take action, relieve that anxiety, relieve that stress, and feel 100% better. Once you've finished those sets, you'll be exiting through this way. We've got a saying, you go hard, you go home. At this point, you can go home now. You'll be traveling out the side and you'll be exiting from the right-hand side, okay? Place your sanitizer back onto the box and that's it, guys. So it's gonna flow very, very smoothly. You won't have to bump into each other. I know you're gonna be really anxious to see each other and catch up. Please do so. That you're following the social distancing guidelines. Do it in open space. Don't do it in confined areas where people can't walk around you. Please be courteous to everybody else that's going to be to the rest of the team, your teammates, and make sure that you're just following the rules, guys. Don't make it a big enough monster than it needs to be. We can follow these rules. We can keep it you know, safe for everybody. Unlike going to a gym, you haven't got to worry about 5,000 members touching the same amount of kit, and you haven't got to worry about waiting for kit neither. You're going to have the most productive workout that you possibly can have right now. You're going to get it done within the 40-45 minutes, and you're going to be feeling good. But you're going to be a little bit sore the next couple of days. That's per usual. You know how that goes, and it's going to be good to get back into a routine, get back into the swing of things. So as you've completed your workout, guys, you're going to be making your exit. Place your sanitizer bottles back onto the box for the next route that I'm coming through. You walk down the right-hand side of the building, so right-hand side of the clubhouse, and straight out back to your cars. I know that you've missed each other. I know that you want to catch up, but again, keep your social distancing. No touching, no high fives. Air high fives are allowed. And just have a great time, guys. I'm really, really excited to get you back into the swing of things and doing it in the most safe possible way that we can right now. Everything's going to be open, lots of fresh air, everything's going to be sanitized. You've got nothing to worry about. Just follow the rules, and we're going to have some fantastic workouts, get back into the swing of things. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you.